Today we are at the home of Audi as we are going to reveal something absolutely stunning.
Welcome to my office. That's exactly the place where we work on what lies ahead. We've got people who design, people who anticipate trends and develop whole new technologies. These technologies open up whole new, unseen ways of mobility. All this is our playground. We arrived at our showroom.
Ladies and gentlemen, the Audi Grandsphere concept.
We still have these breathtaking proportions that are typically Audi, such as the elongated front, the short overhang, or the super fast roofline.
We have a holistic approach to sustainability. From the supply chain and production process, through the finished product with its recycled materials, all the way to the second life of our cars.
The car recognizes the gait of its owner and provides a seamless experience when getting in with a personalized welcome.
This interior is nothing short of a revolution. Welcome to the lounge. That's the Grandsphere concept.
We are planning to introduce the seamless integration of the customer's digital ecosystems. The customers can bring their favorite apps into the car.
Ladies and gentlemen, it has been a great pleasure to have you all with us, to have been able to share with you how we at Audi are leveraging the present in order to create an amazing future.